Hey guy, we're outside again. Jeff, I don't think we should be outside. Why? Because there's a wind advisory, Jeffy. What do you mean? It's not windy. Jeffy, there's literally like 50 to 60 mile winds. So? Bicycle. Jeffy, no! It's not windy. Oh god. Oh! Why are those clouds moving really fast? It's a wind advisory, Jeffy. What? Ow! You told me it was that windy? Jeffy, pretty windy. Well. Ow. How is this blowing me off my feet? You're just light. Really? Jeffy! It's a danger! I'm okay. Jeffy, are you okay? Jeffy, it's dangerous out here. You could die. I'm not gonna die. Oh my god, Jeffy. It's very windy. See those clouds? Oh my god. You're moving pretty fast, Jeffy. Just look at that, Jeffy. Look at that. See how fast they're moving? Jeffy, go overboard. Jeffy. Oh, the wind's literally blowing you. Oh my, go overboard. Oh my god, Jeffy. The wind was strong. Oh no! Did you hear it? Jeffy! Oh my god. Are you safe? Jeffy. Yeah, Phoebe. Be safe. Those clouds are not gonna stop us. Phoebe. Whenever we do, stay together. All times. Phoebe. Stay together. Okay. Stay together. You got me? Yeah? Stay together! God, you two are so dumb. It is kind of windy. What do you fear? Bells and Rosalina! Oh! Cody and Joseph. Cody! Joseph! Homites! Junior! We're gonna eat Let's do it. Guys,